welcome to another series of data science. This is day 2 or second video, data preparation. In this, we will be discussing what is data preparation stage in data science. Now, first, we all must know what is data preparation. Data preparation is a crucial steps in analysis process of data science. It involves cleaning, transforming, and organizing raw data into suitable format for analysis. Proper data preparation ensures that the data is accurate, consistent, and ready for modeling. Here are the key steps involved in data preparation. First, data collection. In this process, we gather data, collect data from various sources such as data files, APIs, web scraping, or we directly collect it from big companies. Combine data, merge data from sources to create comprehensive data set. In this step, we will be combining all the data or data sets from all the formats to create a comprehensive database or the data which is cleaned in next step. Data cleaning. In this stage, we will clean the data to make it suitable for analysis purpose. First, handle missing values. We will identify and address address data by imputation, deleting, or using an algorithm that helps to handle missing values. Date. Remove duplicates. In this, we will be removing duplicate values to ensure data integrity and make data better for analysis purpose. Correct errors. We will be correcting errors, inconsistency, such types of type errors. For example, if data is missing a value, we can remove it using algorithms or replace it by imputation. Data transformation. In this, we will be transforming a data to another stage for better analysis purpose. Normalization. Scale numerical data to standard range to ensure consistency. We will be scaling data to between 0 and 1. We will be further discussing in this video using code for better understanding of this topic. You can read the following topics as well. We will be discussing further in the video. By the explanation of code, you will be able to better understand what is data transformation and what is data integration. In data integration, we merge data sets, combine multiple data sets or small data sets into one single data set, which we call big data in other techniques. Join operation. We will be performing join operation to merge tables and columns to ensure data integration and avoid that duplication of data. Data reduction. In this, we will be evaluating the data, and based on the data we will be selecting features or making features to identify relevant feature for analysis and remove irrelevant or redundant features. Data validation. We'll be checking after these following steps. We'll be checking the data for consistency and outlier. Outlier are those data which are false data we do not need in our databases. In this in the following topics, we will be discussing how to edit index field using Python. We will discuss further these topics in our code on Colab notebook. How to change misleading fields value using R or Python. How to re-express categorical values using Python, and how to standardize numeric fields using Python, and how to identify outliers in Python. Here is the following code representation of following topics to understand better. Here is the code example. As you can see, we have imported NumPy and Pandas library and sklearn preprocessing library. From sklearn, we have imported standard scalar. This is our sample data in which we have given name, age, salary, and gender. We'll be discussing how we can index the data. First, we have defined a data flow or DF variable data frame. First, add index to index. Add an index field. In this, we will be adding index to the all field present in our database. As you can see in the output, we have assigned all from 0 to 4. These are 5 values. We have assigned index to those values, by which we can clearly identify what exists as position 2. As you can see, Charlie, age 35, salary 70,000. Changing the misleading value fields. We will be replacing In this step, we will be replacing the field F with female and M with male. In this, we can make sure our data is consistent. As you can see, after running the code, data frame with corrected gender values is, you can see, this have replaced with F to female and M to male. We have corrected our database. Then how to re-express categorical value fields. Now gender gets equals to define data frame genders dot s type category dot cat dot codes. In this, we'll be discussing how to re-express our data. Okay, in this, as you can see, gender cat, it represents which gender has cats and which doesn't. As you can see, it is represented in binary values, male, male, male. As we can see, all male are having a cat. Standardized numeric field. We will be standardizing numeric field between 0 and 1 or 2, so we can standardize the data and make it smaller for our database. As you can see, we are using scalar from this sklearn library. We have initiated a variable scalar and initialized it. As you can see, data frame age and salary equals to scalar.fit transform. We are transforming the salary and age. As you can see, now see the following output. We have standardized the age and salary to unique variable, by which we can see it is between 0 and 2. It can be negative as well as both positive. Now we have standardized the numeric field. It is essential for database to have standardized numeric field, as it makes it better for analysis purposes. Now, fifth step, how to identify outliers. As we can see in the following code, we are using a simple algorithm or simple steps to detect outliers. Data frame age equals to data frame age minus the mean. It means we are subtracting the average value of all the means from age and salary So by which we can identify outliers and correct our database and remove outliers from our database. You can see the following code for better understanding purpose. As you can see, after running the code, empty data frame columns. As we can see, we have found empty data frame or rows in the name, age, salary, gender index, gender cat, age, Z and salary Z field. For our current data sample data, we have not have a single missing value. For example, if I remove this value from our database or data set, sorry, let me give empty value to that. As we can see, it has detected an error. Let me give negative 500 or 5000. So that's it for today, guys. We'll be discussing further topics on our next video.